In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get Notion Premium step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. If you've been using the free version of Notion and you're wondering what premium plans are available, what features you get, and how to upgrade safely inside your account, this video is for you. Notion Premium is perfect if you want more powerful tools for productivity, team collaboration, and advanced organization. I'll walk you through the entire process so you don't miss anything. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, make sure you're logged into your Notion account on either desktop or web. Once you're inside your workspace, look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see your workspace name with a small arrow next to it. Go ahead and click on that arrow. This opens a menu where you can manage your account and workspace settings. After clicking the arrow, you'll be able to see information about your current plan. This is where Notion shows whether you're on the free plan or already using a paid plan. Take a moment here to review what plan you're currently on so you understand what features you're about to unlock. Next, from that same menu, click on Settings. This will take you to the main settings page for your Notion account. Inside the settings area, you can manage your profile, billing, plans, and workspace options. Once you're in settings, look for the option that says Upgrade Plan. Click on Upgrade Plan to view all available Notion Premium options. Notion will now show you a comparison of all the plans they offer. These typically include the Free Plan, Plus Plan, Business Plan, and Enterprise Plan. Each plan comes with different features, such as increased file upload limits, advanced permissions, collaboration tools, and more powerful customization options. Scroll through the plans carefully and read what each one includes. This helps you choose the best option based on how you use Notion, whether it's for personal productivity, school, or team projects. Once you decide which plan works best for you, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the upgrade. You'll be asked to confirm billing details and payment information, and once that's done, your Notion Premium features will be activated instantly. You'll now have access to everything included in your selected plan. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to get Notion Premium and upgrade your account in just a few simple steps. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Notion tutorials, productivity tips, and software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.